Hey everybody, it's Bobby here with another beautiful summertime recipe for you. I think you're really gonna like it. It can shake up your salad game a little bit if it's getting stale for you, if you're making the same old Caesars or iceberg lettuces or whatever. This is a great creamy Greek cucumber salad. This is Mom's recipe. And I'm gonna start with a couple of English cucumbers, sliced nicely. I use a lot of English cucumbers because they don't have those seeds. And some tomatoes. I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of dill. I've chopped this up really super fine. And some feta cheese. Come on. Beautiful. If you don't like feta, you probably don't like goat.
But you could change it out.
You could change it for whatever crumbled cheese that you like.
You could probably do blue cheese.
Blue cheese would be great. Yeah, they're all strong, you know. All of them are strong. And my mom's got some, excuse me, and some onion too. Luckily, Vidalias are in season, so Vidalia onions are a nice sweet onion. They're not, I don't know, they're just very palatable. I like them. They're great. So I'm going to add some onion to the party. And my mom's creamy cucumber salad dressing. My mom's got some really great dressings out there, and this one's wonderful. The recipe calls for a 1/4 cup. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. That's a nice. I bet I'm gonna use more than a 1/4 cup. Needs more than a 1/4 cup. I think that's about right to start. And we will stir it. You know what I wish I had was some salad hands.
We have one.
I bet we do. Give it up.
There you go.
Thank you so much. We got everything at Paula's house. So just mix this up. Already looks great. Some fresh cracked black pepper and a little bit of kosher salt, chunky salt. And I'm going to top it with some Kalamata olives. Just a beautiful, great, anytime really recipe, but when the Vidalias are in season and your cucumbers are growing in your garden and your tomatoes, this is a great time of the year. It's good to live in the South for many reasons, but the fresh fruits and vegetables are one of the top reasons. The weather's not bad either. So it's really nice. The bowl is a little bit big. Teresa, you had mentioned, is it too big? It's a little bit big.
And honestly, they would probably want to move it into like a nice...
A prettier bowl?
A pretty bowl to serve.
This is what we have. I'm going to top it with some Kalamatas. Just looks great. Salt. A little pepper. And just like that, I mean, so quick and easy, you have a beautiful summertime cucumber, dill, tomato, Vidalia, onion salad. Topped with Kalamata olive. Nice. Enjoy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.